The best nursing covers for comfortable breastfeed. To breastfeed your baby anytime and anywhere, get your hands on the best nursing covers. These are extremely handy when breastfeeding outdoors as they make the experience more convenient and comfortable for you and the baby. As nursing covers are available in many shapes and sizes, finding the right one can be confusing. Thus, we bring you a curated list of the top nursing covers that allow you to breastfeed your baby without feeling conscious of the people around you. Watch on and select your favorite one. Number 1. Best for sun protection, Bamboobies Nursing Cover Shawl. Here's a nursing shawl made of bamboo viscose material, combined with spandex for stretchability. The lightweight shawl is machine washable and dries quickly. Chic nursing shawl. This full coverage poncho shawl has the perfect drape with a discreet open side for easy breastfeeding access. Available in 4 stylish colors: black, blackberry, gray, and graphite. Open nursing shawl. This open kimono shawl allows the mom to show off her unique style while still providing privacy during breastfeeding. Available in classic black and boho shibori print. Sun protection for mom and baby. Whether used as a nursing cover or a car seat cover, both the chic and open nursing shawls are clinically tested to provide UPF 30+ sun protection. Pros: has a UPF 50+ rating. Offers adequate coverage, gentle on the baby's skin. One size fits all. Cons: cannot be worn as a shawl when not in use. Could have been slightly bigger. Number 2. Momcozy Carseat Canopy Privacy Breastfeeding Cover Nursing Poncho. 90% polyester, 10% spandex. Multi-use of nursing cover. Can be used as a privacy nursing poncho, car seat canopy, baby car seat cover, shopping cart cover, feeding chair cover, scarf, etc. A multi-use breastfeeding cover for new moms. Maximum nursing privacy. The poncho design provides you enough room for mothers nursing and watching their babies. Our nursing cover offers full coverage for your privacy. Full protection for your baby. It protects your baby from the sun and summer heat and prevents dust while protecting your privacy. Small size and easy to carry. Ultra soft and breathable. Made of high-quality polyester and spandex elastic fabrics, keep your baby cool, comfortable, and happy while on the go, and provide the ultimate comfort for mom and baby. Perfect shower gift. The breastfeeding cover is the greatest gift for every new mother. Great for boys and girls, will grow along with a baby. Number 3. Best Stretchable Qaqadu Nursing Scarf. Our Key Baby's multi-use cover is ultra-soft yet stretchy, allowing free and easy air movement to keep you and your baby relaxed and comfortable. 360 degrees coverage for your privacy, breastfeed conveniently anywhere. Our multi-use cover features premium stretchable fabric that is easy to put on. It provides ample coverage for you while allowing your baby to breathe and wiggle. Style nursing scarf. Features: you can use the multi-purpose nursing scarf as a nursing cover for the baby stroller, and baby car seat cover. The scarf is super stretchy, lightweight, and made from soft fabric. The manufacturer ships the cover in a pouch and gives a set of nursing pads for free. Machine washable and made from fabric that does not have any harmful chemicals such as BPA, phthalate, and lead. Number 4. Best for eye contact with baby, kids and such nursing cover. The front of this apron is extra wide to provide coverage on the sides while breastfeeding. It also has a burping cloth sewn right into the corner of the apron to wipe the baby's mouth. A patented extra-large burp cloth is sewn into each of our nursing covers for breastfeeding and allows mothers to easily transition from feeding to burping in just seconds. Our breastfeeding coverall is made with 100% breathable baby-safe cotton and keeps mothers and babies cool during breastfeeding. Pros: rigid neckline for air circulation. Breathable cotton material. Comes with a pouch and a matching design. Extra wide design. Cons: burp cloth may not be very absorbent. Print and color may vary. Number 5. Fairy Trained Nursing Covers for Breastfeeding. Breathable nursing cover window for eye contact with your baby. Curved rigid neckline and high-quality 100% cotton, it's breathable nursing cover. While carrying out the can be the exhausting task of feeding in public, our breastfeeding cover has the space and window that allows a steady flow of air to your baby, eye contact with your baby, and sweat-free. This stylish breastfeeding cover is generously sized, so there's plenty of room for the baby and your hands are completely free to position the baby on the breast without having to show any part of your body. Maximum cover with comfort when you nursing a baby or easily place pumps while pumping. Worried your baby will whack off the nursing apron or be smothered in a stretchy baby car seat cover? Rest assured that feeding your baby in public will become super easy with the safe and spacious breastfeeding cover-up, which keeps your baby from sunlight, summer heat, and wind while maintaining your privacy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below.